Vinaka, and very good afternoon to you all. The assistant principal, the staff from the Ministry of Youth and Sports, our trainers, youth participants, brothers and sisters. I'm glad to be here this afternoon to officially close your empowerment training. And before I start proper, I would like to acknowledge the assistance rendered by the Fiji National Sports Commission, Ministry of Health and Medical Services, Ministry of Women, Children and Poverty Alleviation, Fiji Police and national sporting organizations. Can we all put our hands together and thank all the organizations for being our partner. The ministry continues to partner with them in delivering training that will enhance our vibrant youth sector. I'd also like to acknowledge the trainees here and your commitment to this training. I'm told that a total of 40 participants have attained the knowledge from this training for the past 3 days. The reason why we are able to bring training such as this to your doorstep is because of the approach that we have now. It's an all-government approach. Unlike before, Ministry of Youth and Sport used to work on its own, Ministry of Health, but gone are all those days. Now we work together, so things are easier for us, and we can bring training such as this at your doorstep. You now join other youths from the other division who have successfully completed this empowerment training on health and wellness. Dear participants, good health is one of the main elements of happiness that a person needs in his or her life. We can see various people around us that are happy without a lot of demands, needing extra money. But however, they are happy because they have got good health and they enjoy their lives. A healthy person lives with a perfect balance of his or her body, mind, and soul. Health is determined by eating a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, eating on time, and avoiding alcohol and junk foods. When we are healthy and fit, we are able to enjoy our life well. We can talk to our near and dear ones. We can laugh, smile, travel, enjoy, and sleep well. But when our health and fitness is not up to the mark, then we are unable to do anything properly and stay behind. We cannot enjoy eating, watching sports or movies. Our mood always remains negative, and we are unable to talk nicely with our near and dear ones or even sleep properly. Here in Fiji, over 90% of our Fijians over the age of 18 have received their first vaccine dose, and over 80% have had a second. Things are improving, but we are not out of control. So please, at all times, take care of yourself and your loved ones. I urge you, our youths of Fiji, to help government promote vaccination targets so we can move to a new normal, but without lockdowns or lockouts. I hope that you have taken full advantage of this training and learning objectives and outcomes. I sincerely hope that this will help you and prove beneficial for all of you. Dear participants, finally, I thank you all for your participation and trust that you will all return home better leaders. And now I have pleasure to declare this training closed and want to wish you all a very happy Diwali. Thank you and Namaskar.